Hi there, welcome back to the vlog, or welcome to the vlog if you're new. So I just got back from the gym. I'm going to do my skincare, take a shower, and make some food. And yeah, stay tuned if you want to see that. It's really devastating what's happening currently in California. I'm talking about the wildfire. It's really, really devastating to all the people who lost their homes and their belongings and their it's just so sad, and my deepest condolences to those people. I am so sorry that you lost anything or everything. Really sorry. But yeah, prayers to them. I'm done with my shower. I'm gonna start with my skincare. I'm gonna start with an oil cleanser because double cleansing really does what it needs to do for me. I'm just going in with this deep pore cleanser, foaming cleanser. I'm just gonna put this hair even more to the back. Gonna go in with Anua. That's how I pronounce it. I really like it. It makes me want to do my skincare every single day because it's pink. But I love it. I find my skin to be more hydrated when I don't wipe off the water and I just go in with a toner, or like I let my skin air dry after washing my face. Either one of those, like I find it that like my skin gets more hydrated and moisturized like that. Next, I'm going in with this serum, this peach 70% serum. I really like it. Like, it doesn't break out my skin. It makes it pretty much hydrated too. This deodorant is amazing. I love it. I so love it. It smells amazing. It lasts all day. I got this on Temu and like it was discontinued once and I was so heartbroken, but dear God, I'm so glad that they continued it because holy grail. And as we all know, it's winter and like chapped lips are a no-no. Especially, oh God, especially for me, I just can't. Speaking of like chapped lips, I honestly, I haven't exfoliated for a while, but this is the AHA cream. So like it's pretty much like a body exfoliant. So like I'm gonna use it because I need my skin to be soft, moisturized and clear for winter. So yeah, invest in an AHA body cream or body lotion because it is so good. Like trust me, just trust me. Also, what you have to know about AHA lotions are that they can sting or like cause a tingling sensation after applying it. It's normal, but if it surpasses, let's say, 10 to 20 minutes, then you have to wash it off and try another strength, like a lower strength, like it says 12%. Like try a lower strength or just try another product with the same strength. And if it occurs or if you have like an allergic reaction, go to the hospital and just leave it alone. Go ahead and do my hair.